Hi, what's up guys? Once again, welcome back to Fresto. Here I am, Mr. Jeliang, the host of this channel. So here you're watching top 9 YouTubers from Northeast India. Never skip the video and watch the video from starting to the end. Here in my list, top number 1 is Baro. He is from Assam. He began working on his channel by his name, Dimpu Vlogs, to represent a detailed view of the place of tourist attraction in Assam. His present subscriber is 725,000 subscriber, and he have joined his channel on 23rd January of 2018. Here is his latest video. And again, here is the second top YouTubers, Dreams Unlimited. He's a Nagaland based YouTuber, the highest by any YouTuber from Nagaland. In my list, he's the second highest from Northeast India. At present, Dreams Unlimited subscriber is 101,000 subscriber, and it is a comedy channel. He have joined his channel on 22 December, that is 2016, and here you are watching his latest video. Here is the top number 3, and his channel name is Lenzing Weekly, a young and charming enthusiast and artist. And Lenzing Weekly is based in Arunachal, India. His videos are unique and daring, and also has a varied fan and base across. At present, his subscriber is 183k subscriber. He has joined his channel since 2018, that is 30 September 2018. It's a top number 4. His channel name is Kenda Vines. He's from Tripura. His present subscriber is 156,000 subscriber with 45 videos. They love entertaining others. Have joined his channel on 10 March 2018. And here his latest video.
Alright, sir. I meant right? 100% correct, sir. Okay, sir. But this is not fair. What happened again? This fact.
Here is a top number 5, and she's from Manipur. Her present subscriber is 149,000 subscriber, and she have uploaded 124 videos. She have created his channel on 24 April 2014. So you're watching her latest video.
We're gonna do guess the song challenge. So you don't know how hard I had to convince my brother to sit on this table. Bless me, guys. Yes, I did.
In my list, Tamang Simon film is 6 number. Is from Arunachal. Your videos are multi-dimensional and has always maintained a high level of suspense. His present subscriber is 139,000 subscribers. He have started using his channel since 2013. Here is his latest video. And here is the top number 7. He's from Assam, from Dimasa district. His channel name is Sukri TV, and his present subscriber is 116 subscriber, and he have uploaded 198 videos. He created his channel on 25 March 2015. Here is his latest video.
Quarantine, quarantine.
the top number 8, and he is from Nagaland. His present subscriber is 62.3k subscriber. He started using his channel from 13 March 2020. Within 3 months, he have completed 62,000 subscribers.
Right, more debra, paglan dudi jaulela, 8 minutes. Atu tu kolok right jaulela.
Number 9 is from Manipur. His present subscriber is 61.3k subscriber. He have started using his channel from 24 April 2012. So you can see his reacting videos
I
here.
just feel like reacting on TikTok videos. TikToks are very addictive, adjective, or I don't know what it.
Thank you so much. Keep on supporting so that I could make more better than this.